Yeah, I mean we're missing a couple guys. I know for whatever reason they couldn't come, but this group is good. I mean this group is young. I remember when I was the young guy on the team, and now I'm the old guy on the team. And these guys who are playing now the other semis, and even the two guys, Julian who won the nationals, Taj who's based down here, like they're I think they're mid-20s, and they're looking to really now make a scene on the international tour. So I think it's great.
So, what compelled you to get out here and want to be a part of this?
It's been a while since I've represented the country, and it's always a pleasure. It's always it's always an honour. So it's something that I felt that I wanted to try and do, and I wanted to see if I could kind of measure up to the guys back here. So
if it means that I'm going to be playing number 1 or number 2 or number 3, doesn't matter. Some may say it does, but for me, what I'm more focused on is just going out there on the day, regardless of the position that I'm playing on the team, and just play good squash on the day and bring it home for my country if I can.
What is it like to step up, for representation, to represent your country? How does that, personally, how does that feel for you?
Oh, I've been doing that since I was 10, and it's been feeling amazing, really, to wear the black, green, and gold, to wear the flag on your chest, and just go there and represent an entire 3 million people in a sport that's so small, but want to grow, and we don't have a lot of representation from the Caribbean. So to be one of those few people to do this and do it at a high level is very important for me.